Oregon Cascade West Council of Governments is the result of 3 counties, Linn, Benton, and Lincoln counties, coming together to create an intergovernmental council to provide services to the area.
The cities are anywhere from a couple of thousand up to maybe 25, 30, 40,000 people. Cascades West provides economic development programs through grants, services to veterans, elderly, and people with disabilities. We also provide transportation services to the community. Prior to using Oracle NetSuite, we were using a different software package that was designed for government agencies to do our finance and payroll system. And one of the challenges that we had was it was very limited in its capabilities. NetSuite provided a much more robust, integrated solution between all those different systems.
We have had a really good working relationship with our implementation team. I haven't felt like just another customer waiting in a queue for a callback.
The automation of the data makes data entry much more efficient. When you enter it, you're entering it one time. For example, when you enter a purchase order, you record the bill that comes in for a PO, you just drag and drop that invoice right into the purchase order, and now it's recorded as a document with that PO going forward.
What I have enjoyed in the difference of the NetSuite product is being able to have individual transactions post into the general ledger, and being able to pull out individual transactions, in particular for payment, is huge. That's nice to be able to quickly issue a payment if we need to, and not have to batch all these payments into one, or try and figure out how to pull out one individual transaction.
One of the benefits to a lot of these small local communities that we support is that Oracle's going to take care of all the complex security, infrastructure, cloud services for them.
The amount of touch that we have out in the region is pretty extensive, and I know they care about what we're going through, and I know they are working hard to make things be successful for us. There's a lot of hope and excitement of what is yet to come, so I'm looking forward to the future.